everybody. Welcome to On a Pilot Overland. Just like I said in my last message or video, we are heading to Georgia, to Mistletoe State Park, and it's raining already. It's supposed to be lows in the 30s, highs in the 50s, and we got a lot of youngsters with us. And a full car. Alright, we just made it into Georgia, so we've traveled, I don't know, a little over 2.5 hours. And the kids have woken up, and we are taking a little mental inventory of the things we forgot, which is a lot because we packed today, last second. We forgot the hammocks, but even worse, we forgot the fishing line for the kids' new fishing rods.
Even worse, we forgot the toothbrushes.
Yeah, we did forget the toothbrushes as well, so our teeth are going to rot out.
No, my toothbrushes are going to...
And Dad. And Dad are lures.
Oh yeah, we forgot our Christmas fishing lures and our, Christmas fishing lures.
And our ones that we bought.
Anyways, we have just enough time to make it to camp to check in, and then we might go somewhere else and try to get some fishing line afterwards, but we have all kinds of stinky catfish baits. We were thinking about maybe adding in a catfish fishing challenge in this video, which should be fun. Alright, well, we made it into the park, and I'm about to go check in. We got about 15 minutes to spare before the park office closes, so we just made it in the nick of time. I'll be back. But guys, I picked the camping spot at the very, very end, right on the water. Hopefully we can catch some catfish around here, huh?
Wait.
All the way.
Is this area closed?
No, it's not closed, because this is where our camp spot is. Oh yeah, look at this, guys.
9.
We're all the way
number
out.
12 is closed. Number 10. Where's 11? Oh, there it is, right there.
Yeah.
There's our camp spot.
We're all the way at the end, guys.
Oh, look at this cool peninsula thing that you guys can play on.
Look at this.
There was sand.
Look at this. What do you guys think?
Awesome.
What are your first thoughts?
Now, why don't we bring our swim?
You don't want to swim in that. It's cold out there, you cray-cray.
Alright, I'm going to park and you guys can have your shoes on and get out, okay? Alright, so we found our awesome camping spot, as you guys know. It's right here on the peninsula. I picked it out from Google Maps, and it's supposed to be 30 degrees tonight, a little bit rainy today, sunny the rest of the weekend. We're really excited. We brought some firewood. We're really excited about having a fire, right guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we knew it would stay warm, but oh my god, back up, don't get your shoes wet, remember? Back up. But our fire pit is full of water. I don't know what we're gonna be able to do about this, but we're gonna have to try to think of something.
I got an idea. What about filling it with rocks?
Maybe. We
I got
might be able to do that.
I got a big old rock.
Back up, guys,
I got
back
one
up.
right here.
Back up. Oh, you're supposed to throw it hard.
Oh, I can throw it hard. I can throw it real hard. Ready?
Watch out.
Oh. Isaac, are you okay? Hey guys, look, the camper's here now.
What?
Look, the camper's here now.
I know.
Cool.
My pockets are freezing, Dada.
They are.
Look, those are all the ones I found.
All right, it's getting a little colder, but we're getting a little firewood pile going. We got several dry areas now, thanks to our screen tent. And we got our own little mini volcano. What?
They were
Through there?
They were fascinated that I could put my hand through without getting burned.
Yeah, it's only for a second.
Yeah, you have to do it fast. Not to mention my hands are so cold.
Remember on our last canoeing, I guess it was a boating trip actually, we were on the island and someone had littered and left a bunch of trash and stuff, and one of the things they left was a bottle of kerosene. Normally we don't really use kerosene, but right now in situations this wet, it was really nice. Started it right up. Wow guys, looks like you guys are warming up a little bit, huh?
I'm really hot.
Those new rain jackets really worked out well this evening, huh?
I'm too hot.
You're too hot? Back up then.
You touched it out, boy.
Cool.
I know.
James, we're taking a video.
All right.
Yeah, video.
You got all the, you got everything set up with the camper?
Yeah.
Now we're cooking hot dogs.
We're cooking hot dogs. It's gonna be delicious.
Oh yeah.
Dad, you're cooking one for
You alright, Eli?
Yeah.
You okay?
And mommy.
What's wrong, Eli?
Well, we survived the night, right, Eli?
But we might not survive the day.
But we might not survive the day.
Lost power somehow.
Oh no.
We lost stuff. And this fell off.
Yeah, that's okay.
Did you use?
You having fun, Eli?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Can you take a picture of me and James?
Yeah, I can take a picture.
Eli, Jamesy, would you guys like some pancakes?
Yes.
All right, James, you ready?
Yeah.
Smile.
Ready, James? Say cheese. Got it. Cool, Eli.
There you go. That's it, James.
James, look at me. You made it to the end.
James, smile.
Yeah.
Dad, where's the Pharaoh's duty?
Where's the end, Evan?
Let's go back. Ugh.
Over there.
Dad, where's
Careful,
the
James.
Pharaoh's
James,
coop?
be careful.
Lake's really, really pretty.
It is really pretty.
Wow.
So, Sonny,
Look, Dad.
what? Did you find another piece of quartz?
Come on,
Dad,
come on.
What?
it's
Slippery.
Okay.
Sorry.
We're going on a bear hunt. Gonna find a big one. What a wonderful day. We're not scared. All right, so yesterday was definitely a success. I think everybody had a good time. But we're almost out of firewood. We burned, I don't know, 3/4 or more of our wood. So at some point today, we're gonna need to get some more wood, which might turn into a dirt road adventure, hopefully. And then we also forgot, which we already said, fishing line for the kids. So we're gonna go get fishing line so we can do our catfish test competition with all our different bait. And we're also on empty, so we're gonna go get gas first. Should be fun.
You might drop your phone.
The park is so pretty this morning. Look at all the rays of sunlight coming through the trees.
It's a really cool shot with your face.
What did I come out of the store to find? What are you doing up there?
You have to get the saws off and chop the firewood.
You're a nut. Say hi.
Mom,
Hey, honey?
can I put my batteries in here?
Well, we just missed our turn back to the campsite, but we found a dirt road, so let's see what's up here.
Wait, the campsite is closed.
It is close. I see some firewood.
Oh yeah.
It's close by.
Ow.
Oh, there's a house back here. I don't think.
Build.
I think we'd get stuck in that.
You said don't get stuck
I
in
said,
it.
I wonder if we're gonna get stuck in that.
Dad.
Oh, that feels kind of squishy.
Let's go back to the campsite.
Well,
We are, but
we're just
No,
gonna
let's-
snag some of those little sticks over there. Look like they'd be good starting.
Yeah, let's get some firewood.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna
I
get
think we
some. There's a
should.
pile right here. I just don't know how dry it is. I guess.
that looks very dry.
None of what we're gonna find is gonna be very dry because it rained
Yeah,
yesterday.
we need to find a dead
Oh,
stand.
there's a dead tree right there standing.
Where?
That one looks pretty dead to me.
It looks completely alive with all
At
those
the
green
top,
leaves.
it looks alive. At the bottom, it. Oh, look at this piece of vertical hanging branch.
It's a vine.
It'll be.
There's
It'll be
some vine
fine.
right there that looks the right distance to cut.
All right, perfect.
Dad.
Let's do it. Okay. Yep, and we're off. These tools come in handy.
Oh yeah. We don't have a chainsaw with us, but the Sawzall works pretty good. Not quite as good as a chainsaw. But you got to use what you have.
Yep.
Mom, this looks like a starter.
It does look like good starter stuff.
And it's dry.
Are you finding some good dry kindling? Goodyear, what are you doing? Hey, old girl, you're almost 11 years old. How you feeling? What'd you find, Evan?
Quartz crystal.
A quartz crystal.
What's
Oh,
this?
there's another piece.
Dad, this looks
What
like
you got going on here?
Mom, this.
All right, we got some good little nuggets. Hopefully this doesn't explode on us too bad. Mine can be pretty. Yeah,
All right, well,
I guess
here.
you can show them how much we have on the inside.
Yeah,
too.
we got plenty of it in here, so
No, we don't have plenty.
Well, we've got a lot. Aaron, what are you doing?
Almost done, honey.
What?
Almost done.
You're nuts. This thing works pretty good though, huh?
All right, we're starting our little catfish fishing challenge while we eat some lunch here. We have a couple different baits to try. We got catfish dough bait. It says it tastes like Charlie's blood, which is gross. Danny King's catfish punch bait. Both of these two baits could make someone throw up for sure. We got these little gulp worms. I actually swam in a trout stream to get these. They were floating, and I was like, oh, those are worth like $3.99. Swam out there and got them. Then Isaac got these from his niece. These emerald, my niece, emerald shiners, cousin, that's what I meant to say. And they're disgusting and they're real. So the kids are each gonna choose their bait to fish. Oh yeah. Yep, and he also got these Gulp Alive. And Isaac chose to fish in this lake with
a blue shrimp.
A blue shrimp. So we're gonna cast it out and we're gonna rig up these other rods and we're gonna see who catches a fish.
All to smile. I need you all to smile. 3, 2, 1. Bam.
Jeez.
Bam.
Good job, guys.
Bam.
All right, so we went on another firewood searching adventure, and we found this fallen oak tree over here. The pine wood that we got earlier is pretty wet, so it's not burning super well, but we're gonna try to cut some more here. All right, well, I guess if you're gonna have kids, you may as well put them to work, right, Isaac?
That's exactly right.
They're all dragging back some pieces of firewood. We got some bigger pieces over there. I'm gonna get the car though.
Well, hello. Huh? You got some, huh?
Thanks to Evan. High five, Evan.
Good job, Evan.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
So we haven't had any bites on the fishing rods, so we switched over to cornhole, right, guys?
Yeah!
Okay.
I want to go first. No, I'm going first. No!
But we are.
Go first.
Hey, don't argue.
I did not win, Evan.
But we are still fishing, so there's always a chance. And we're fishing for catfish, so sometimes if you leave it soaking, it's a good thing. Down here checking the rods and no fish, so we may as well throw some rocks, right?
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Yeah.
Really pretty this evening.
Imagine how much tug it has.
Hey, you.
Hey folks, alright, so we didn't catch any fish. We didn't find a good off-roading adventure to go on. We did have a really good camping trip in 30-degree weather with our fire and stuff, but we're packing up now. Turns out making super adventurous, amazing YouTube videos takes a little bit of planning. But we'll see you on the next adventure.
Alright, so as goes with sometimes with these type of trips, we had to stop at O'Reilly's Auto Parts because we're having a cylinder firing issue. We're still troubleshooting.
Alright, so I was a little grumpy when Eleni was videoing me the first time. We had a engine misfire on the interstate, and so we had to kind of figure out what to do. And we're 2 hours from home, so not the greatest. The car seemed to be doing pretty well below, I don't know, 45 or so, but as soon as you got faster, it started misfiring. But we pulled into the O'Reilly's AutoZone part, or O'Reilly Auto Store, and we replaced the cylinder 3 spark plug and coil pack. We're gonna see if that makes a difference. If it doesn't make a difference, we'll probably just drive 45 on the interstate all the way back home, but we'll see. we'll keep you posted. So far, so good. All right, so we just climbed our first hill since changing the coil pack and the spark plug, and we had good power, and the engine wasn't shaking, and there wasn't any check engine lights. So I think we're gonna make it home at this point. Once we, get home, we'll replace the rest of the coil packs. They lived a good life, made it, 250,000, 55,000 plus miles, and it's, time to replace them. The spark plugs were, again, over 80,000 miles as well, so they were due for a change. So we'll let you know if anything else exciting happens. All right, so as we were driving here, I was just kind of thinking about all the tools we used and how we were able to troubleshoot the car pretty quickly. So right here I have OBD2 code reader. I went on Amazon and I just looked for one that worked well for Honda Pilots and was compatible with an iPhone. And this was just the one that came up. It was well reviewed, so I grabbed it. It basically puts out a Wi-Fi signal, and you connect to it, and then that allows the app to communicate with this code reader. And from there, it basically just scans the codes, just like if you go to an auto parts store. But it gives you the opportunity to start troubleshooting before you get to the parts store. Also, in our toolkit, we just happened to have the right size extensions. We had the Allen wrench that we needed. Basically, we just had all the tools we needed, so we were able to get the issue resolved pretty quickly.
Yeah, within like 5 minutes. It was awesome.
Yeah, once I got out of the store, I was able to replace the coil pack and the spark plug for the cylinder 3 within, it couldn't have been more than 10 minutes. And again, we got to knock on some wood, but so far we're, rolling at 60 and it's driving really well. So anyways, crisis averted.